In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams sign-in and meeting join issues on your iPhone. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If you're stuck at the sign-in screen or can't get into meetings, it usually comes down to an authentication conflict, corrupted app data, or a network restriction. We'll move from quick checks to deeper fixes, so try each step and test Teams after you complete it. Start with the basics. Make sure your internet connection is solid. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and if you're on mobile data, try Wi-Fi. Unstable bandwidth can block logins and keep you from joining calls. Next, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button until the power slider appears. Slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. A simple reboot often clears minor glitches. Also confirm your credentials. Carefully retype your email address and password. Even a small typo will prevent access. To check whether the problem is the app or your account, try the web version. Open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome on your iPhone and sign in to Teams there. If the web works but the app doesn't, the issue is likely on the device or with the app's data. These are the same areas Microsoft's troubleshooting guides focus on, including clearing the app cache and verifying your login details. Now let's fix the app itself. Clear the Teams cache by offloading the app. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Scroll to Teams, tap Offload App, and confirm. Offloading removes temporary files without deleting your documents and data. When it's done, tap Reinstall App, open Teams, and try signing in again. If you still can't sign in, remove saved credentials from the Apple keychain. Go to Settings, then Passwords. Find any entries for Microsoft Teams or your Microsoft account and delete them. Then open Teams and sign in with fresh, correct details when prompted. Make sure everything is up to date. Microsoft only supports the two most recent versions of iOS, so go to Settings, General, Software Update and install any updates. Then open the App Store and update Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Authenticator. For advanced checks, temporarily disable any VPN or proxy, since some settings can block Teams. Then verify app permissions by going to Settings, Teams, and enabling microphone, camera, and notifications. Missing permissions can interfere with joining meetings. If the issue persists on a work or school account, contact your IT admin. Device management policies like Intune or security configurations, including end-to-end encryption for meetings, can prevent sign-in or meeting access. Your admin may need to adjust settings or open a service request with Microsoft support. Follow these steps in order, and you should be back in Teams smoothly. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions.